Hi, students. A warm welcome to all of you to today's class. In the previous class, we discussed about different types of soils in India. Today, we will continue the chapter. Climate. The climate of India is diverse. Cherrapunji, which records the world's highest rainfall, is in India. Delhi shivers under a chilling cold of around 0 degrees Celsius during winter. It also experiences a burning heat of above 40 degrees Celsius at the peak of summer. During winter, the temperature in Kargil and Dras in Jammu and Kashmir falls as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius. In spite of such diversities, the climate of India is generally known as tropical monsoon climate. Three distinct seasons are identified in India: the summer season, the winter season, and the rainy season. The summer season. The summer season in India is experienced from March to May. During this period, North India experiences severe heat. Summer is mild along the coast of South India owing to its proximity to the sea. Generally, the whole of India experiences drought during this period, though isolated summer rains are experienced in some regions. Drought, a natural disaster. Drought is the situation of severe water scarcity due to either the lack of rain or overexploitation of water. It is estimated that one third of India is drought affected. The severity of this disaster, which caused crop failure, scarcity of potable water, etc., can be reduced by linking water rich rivers with the water deficient rivers of the dry regions, cultivating drought resistant crops, promoting rainwater harvesting, etc. Next, the winter season. The winter season in India is experienced from December to February. During this period, North India experiences severe cold and snowfall occur along the Himalayan mountain ranges. Though generally the atmosphere remains dry, rainfall occurs in Punjab and surrounding regions during this period. It is ideal for wheat cultivation. Compared to North India, winter is mild in South India. The rainy season. There are two rainy seasons in India. The first one is from June to September. The second is from October to November. During this season, the mountain ranges block the moisture laden winds blowing from the Indian Ocean and cause widespread rain all along the western coast, the northeastern states, and along the foothills of the Himalayas. This period, known as the southwest monsoon season, is the rainiest period in India. After a short break, rainy season is back from October to November. During this period, known as the northeast monsoon season, the eastern coast of India receives the highest amount of rainfall, especially along the Tamil Nadu and the Andhra coast. Kerala also receives these rains. When the flood threatens, the flood occurring in different parts of the country during the rainy season is a threat to both human life and agricultural land. The causes for flood in India are the heavy rains during monsoons, construction of houses on the river banks, and the reclamation of paddy fields. The precautionary steps and measures adopted to check and to reduce the damage to life and property caused by this natural disaster are construction of dams, afforestation, discouraging large scale constructions in the upper course of rivers, relocating people from the flood affected regions, establishing early warning systems, etc. Next, natural vegetation and animal diversity. The types of plant species that grow in accordance with the physical characteristics of an area, such as physiography, climate, and soil types, are its natural vegetation. Animal species also exhibit diversity in accordance with the climate. Let's examine the various natural vegetation and animal life of India. Tropical evergreen forest. The evergreen forest exists along the western Ghats and the northeastern states where there is high annual rainfall. Lion tailed macaque, different types of snakes, a variety of insects, and different species of butterflies, including the Atlas moth, the world's biggest moth, are found in these forests. Next, deciduous forest. Deciduous forests grow in areas where only seasonal rainfall is available. It forms the major natural vegetation in the Indian peninsula. Different varieties of deer, hare, peacock, hornbill, several other species of birds, Indian gaur, elephant, tiger, leopard, etc. are found in these forests, which have a wide variety of animals. Tropical thorn and shrubs. As rainfall is meager, only thorny and shrub vegetation grow in the Rajasthan desert and in the central part of the peninsula. Camel, vulture, eagle, and several reptiles inhabit this dry region. Mangrove forest. These are peculiar plant species that grow in saline soil. The mangrove forests protect the river banks and coastal zones from shelving. The mangrove forests of West Bengal are the natural habitat of the Bengal tiger. The mangrove roots provide a breeding ground to several species of fishes. Montane forest. The coniferous trees that grow in the higher reaches and the mosses in the severely cold regions fall in the category of montane forest. Several rare animals like the musk deer, snow leopard, and the Himalayan tahr have their habitats in these forests. The high ranges of the Western Ghats is the abode of Nilgiri tahr. You have now understood that compared to other countries, India has unique and diverse physiography, climate, soil types, natural vegetation, and animal life. This diversity in its physical aspects is the reason for the cultural diversity in India. Despite all such diversities, India stands united as a single nation. The feeling that we all are Indians keep us together. So students, I hope all of you understood this chapter very well. Thank you.